In today's video, we're going to be looking at the Blink Mini 2K Plus. Now, this is the latest generation of the Blink's compact plug-in camera. It represents a significant upgrade from previous Mini models, primarily focusing on video resolution, image quality, and the enhanced audio. What I have here is the brand new one. We're going to go over the contents of the box and features. Now, you can end up getting this in black, which I have here, and also white color as well. Alright, so here we go with the Blink Mini. First, let's check the accessories. So here we do have a cable. I believe this should be around 6 feet like the previous model. So USB Type-A to USB-C. So this uses USB-C. Now this is indoor and the outdoor camera. You're gonna end up using this for the indoor obviously, but if you do wanna end up using this camera on the outdoor, you're gonna need a special adapter for that. Then we also do have a little bit of the screws since you can end up mounting this. I'm going to show you that. And then we also do have a power adapter and the quick start guide here. Alright, design-wise, it looks pretty much the same as the previous generation. Addition of 2K here. Plugs in on the back with that USB-C cable. We do have a speaker here. And then here we do have the stand. Now stand is also used as a mount. So let's end up checking some of these angles. The stand itself seems to be weighted. So as you put it all the way to the angle, it doesn't even move, which is a good thing. So even if you push it all the way back, so the stand itself is weighted and seems to be pretty impressive. You can also end up removing it from the stand. And then here we do have a reset button. Now on the front we have the lenses, some sensors, and the spotlight as well. Now on the bottom of the stand we do have the mount. Now to open it, all you have to do is just kind of twist it this way. It's a little bit harder, especially since it is new, but after a few times it will be more loose. So all you have to do is just twist it this way, then you're going to pop this off. You're going to bring it to your wall, ceiling, wherever you want to place it. There's a spot for 2 screws. And that's it. And then once you have this on your wall, you're going to bring in this piece. And then all you have to do is going to do the reverse. So you're going to push it this way. Again, this is a little bit harder than it should be. But once you have it, that's pretty much it. Then you're going to bring in the camera and pop this on. Alright, next let's talk about the features. So one of the biggest improvements of this Blink Mini camera is the 2K resolution. So this supports 2560 x 1440 resolution, which is a big difference compared to the previous model, which only supported 1080p. Now, this new generation has a little bit of improvements in the night vision as well. It supports color vision in the low light. This requires some ambient light plus standard infrared IR for pitch black. You also do have the spotlight on the front as well. Now the two-way audio got a little bit of improvement as well. It does have the noise cancellation now for clear communication. Field of view is a little bit of the downgrade. Right now it supports 138 degrees of the diagonal field of view. I believe if I'm not wrong, previous generation supported 143 degrees. What that means, it's gonna fit just a little bit less on the screen than the previous generation. Now this model also does have a built-in siren for deterring unwanted activity. Also enhanced 4x digital zoom. The previous generation only had the standard zoom. I use zoom all the time, so for me this is a big improvement. When it comes to the storage, it remains the same as the previous 2 generation. This does support cloud storage, so clips are stored on the Blink servers for up to 60 days. It does require a Blink Basic or the Blink Plus subscription plan. Now, you can also end up using this with the local storage, but you will need to get something like a sync module too. Now, some of the most advanced features for the Blink Mini 2K Plus is definitely person detection and the vehicle detection as well. For these 2 features to work, you will need that Blink subscription plan. Even though the design remained the same, there's some good improvements in the video and the audio quality. So this is definitely something I would recommend. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.